Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So now we've got 4 verbs. We've got to be, we've got to have, we've got to do, and we've got to go. So I give you some vocabulary and let's work some drills. For the subway, as you can also say metropolitan, the same in French, that's métro. We just say métro. For bus, it's almost the same as in English, we say le bus. And for cars, we say voiture. And for walk, we say by foot, à pied. So let's, and to walk is marcher. So let's work some drills with just a few basic vocabulary I gave you. Je suis dans le métro. That means I am in the metro. I am going to, I'm going home. Je rentre à la maison. I was at Place d'Italie. J'étais à Place d'Italie. Okay, this one was a tricky one because I used the past tense. Okay, let's still continue with only present tense.
Attention à la marche en descendant.
Nous allons dans Paris. We are going in Paris. Actually, we are in Paris. Nous sommes dans Paris. And people in the subway are in Paris. Et les gens dans le métro sont à Paris. Okay, what other useful sentence you can do with that? You can say, I am here, you show it on a map, and you want to ask, how can I go there? So you will say, je suis ici, comment faire pour aller là-bas? How to go là-bas. How is comment? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe and see you tomorrow for more vocabulary and more verbs. See you.